Hey guys, guess what? We are finally free. Free at last, free at last. Thank God I'm free at last. Now, so the lockdowns ended, well, not quite, but non-essential shops are open, which means we can go shopping, y'all. We can buy clothes again. We can buy furniture. We can just walk around aimlessly in Homesense, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. I don't have anything particularly on the list that I want to buy, but I'm outside, I'm sitting in the car park, I'm about to go in, and I'm just about to live my best life in TJ Maxx. Now guys, actually tell me, I was only realized last week that it's not TK Maxx but actually TJ Maxx. Now, did anybody else think it was TK Maxx and not TJ Maxx? No, let me know. Comment down below and let me know. But anyway, I'm going to try and show you, take you around the store if I can, because it's probably going to be quite busy. I haven't seen a queue outside, but there's lots of cars in the car park. So, but if I can, I will show you what they have. But I absolutely love Homesense. I'm not a big fan of TK Maxx, especially not clothes. I'm not trying to rummage through all those rails and all of that. And when you're a big girl as well, I've never seen the selection of clothes in there that I particularly like. So it's not for me. But their homeware section, the home section, I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I have missed it. Excuse the bonnet, the head wrap. We still, some of us have to work. I didn't take a day off, so I'm still not all glam. I need to get my hair done. Hair hasn't been combed for maybe 2 weeks. And I need to get my nails done. I need a pedicure. I need to see my beautician. All of that will be done, but I had to come out and I had to get to Homesense. And anyone who's ever been to Homesense knows and feels, knows this moment we have waited for a whole 3 months. Anyway, I'll see you inside. Okay, well, it is actually TK Maxx, so I don't know. Just watched a couple of YouTube channels of the American brand, and they say, and the store is called TJ Maxx, but I'm looking at it now. Let me turn you around, and it's actually TK Maxx. So yeah, as you can see guys, it is TK Maxx, so I was right. I wasn't a complete idiot all this time. Lots of clearance going on in store, guys. I hope you can hear me because I got this bloody mask on, but the pots, guys. I like this big one here. It's huge. Only $39.99. See it. Huge. Lots of pots. No, this one is nice. This is 14.99. Got another one there. That's 19.99. Stylish. Here. Let's look. So guys, I just finished. It's a bit busy in there. There was no queue to go into the store itself, but it's really busy, so it was really hard to get footage, you know, without people kind of walking past, etc. And at one point I just had to stop. Also, I had to stop because I bought a big ass rug and I couldn't walk around the store with the rug and video, as well as push the trolley and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, there was some stuff on offer, but not much stuff on offer. There was quite a few rugs available in different sizes for reduced price, but I just got literally a few bits, but I'll show you those properly when I get home. So I had my Homesense fix, so I'm okay. Order has been restored. I just need to go and sort out me now, and I'll be fully free of that whole lockdown vibe and that whole lockdown look. Anyway, so I just got in, guys. So let me show you what I got quickly. So I picked up the set of drawer knobs here. Not quite sure I'm going to use them on yet, but I really like them. That kind of marble look, and with the brass edging. 4 of those, and I got that for if you can see, $5.99. Not bad. Yeah, I'm not sure, as I said, what I'm going to use them for, but got those. Then I got these. I think these are, and I should know my flowers, but are they hydrangeas, hibiscus? I'm not sure, but anyway, I got 3 stems of these for £2. They were $2.99, and now they're £2. So I hope you can see that. Yeah, stems are quite long. Yeah, so then I got these other flowers here for reduced for £2 again from $2.99. Yeah, they're like a peachy pink, and Angel's just being annoying. She's trying to grab everything. So, and the other thing I got was these the like scented sachets you put in your drawers or anywhere storage or anything like that, and it was 3 of these for $2.99. They smell so good, like really nice. So I didn't get much, and obviously the rug I got for £65. So yeah, I didn't really go out. I mean, none of these things really for me. I'm more than likely going to be using them in some other projects. But so, like, for example, the rug is you know, it's probably going to be one of those things that you're going to love or hate. But I have an idea of what I'm going to do with it, and the decor for a particular room that this rug is just going to go, that's going to just go perfect with. So yeah, that's it really. I am going to bring you along to the range the next time I go there, then you can see what goodies they have on offer.